Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi. So, I've reacted to Beyonce when I first started this channel. Thank you, Black is King. Thank you, Queen B, at the recording industry and your faith's career. And then I went into Latin pop, J-pop, K-pop, P-pop, Norman M-pop, Malaysia. So I want to say thanks to the person who gave me this link to react to this Malaysian group called Dala, and this is their music video to this song, Impikan. So hopefully I pronounced it right. But let me see what Malaysia is giving me, because there's also another place I want to go visit. The beat already. Gag me. Gag me, girls. You better give these K-pop girls a run for their money. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Bitch. I did not know people over in Malaysia got Malaysians get down like that. Oh. We're back. Yes. Adding you ho, added these girls to my list. Oh, they're new. You better give these K-pop girls a run for their money. Add them to my list. Yes. You better give these K-pop girls a run for their money. Oh, that's a good transition. Yes.
Just watch me glow. Just watch me glow. Just watch me glow.
Oh, who the heck?
Watch me glow. Na 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 na.
Girl.
Watch me. Just watch me glow. Just watch me glow.
The, the people, the Philippines is coming for the K-pop girls. The J-pop is coming for the K-pop girls. The Malaysians are coming for the K-pop girls. I won't say like the reason why I am flabbergasted, I'm gagged right now because when I first started, I thought it was gonna be one of those cutesy girls. They're like, God, they're gonna give me that da-da-da. But I should have known in the beginning when the beat dropped, and I was like, oh, okay, this is gonna be a very good song. It's just that I never expected that. I was kind of gagged. I was never expected that because not really a lot of groups outside of K-pop or one or two J-pop groups really get up like this. This was really surprising. Dala, Impican, Malaysia, huh? Oh. I have nothing to say. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this group. I really do appreciate it, which means I want more. So look out, Dala will be more reaction from me on my channel if YouTube doesn't block it. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and go listen to this song, Dala. I add this song to my collection. I really do on my Tidal account or Spotify or iTunes. I do pay for. I do support these artists. I may not understand the language, but thank God for Google. I could translate. I really do support. I think art is amazing. I like music. I like listening to music. Don't ask me too much about music. I just like listening to it. If it's something good and I like, I will purchase it. As you guys can see, I've added it to my list. Thanks. Who can do you besides you? I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you. Bye.